for stopping by. So today I'm going to show you how to make paper flowers. The first thing I did is I went on Google and I just typed the word flower petals. Then I cut out the template, I traced my petal, and I did this for 5 different sizes, and I did it on top of 6 pieces of paper so that I could cut them all at once and save time and paper. Once you have all your petals cut off, make a slit with the scissor right in the center, right in between the petal, and repeat this step for all the sizes of your petals. And I like folding my petals, that way I can have depth after I glue them together. Now you can apply the glue to one side of the slit and then cross over the other point of the slit, that way it creates a curve. You do this for every single petal and repeat them for every single size. Then cut a circle and start gluing the petals together. Start one by one and apply each petal. Once you put the first one, then apply the next one right on top of it. And continue doing so for every single size.